To set your phone to automatically restart when needed in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, all you need to do is just enabling restart when needed option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care. Under additional care section, tap auto optimization and then tap the gray on option next to restart when needed to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will restart automatically when needed to keep it in the best condition. As we all know that some issues can sometimes be resolved just by restarting the phone. As a note, automatic restart will only happen when you are not using your phone. Also, you have to remember that after your phone restart, you need to unlock it before you can receive notification and alarm from some apps and see the name of incoming calls. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.